couple days ago, Usain Bolt, global icon who has represented Jamaica with distinction, quite correctly raised concerns about the lack of transparency regarding the investigation into the SSL fraud matter. Since his comments, he has been met with a flurry of abusive comments on social media, led by JLP supporters who are chastising him for quite correctly raising concerns about his hard-earned money. What is even more disturbing is that a confidential forensic report commissioned by the government of Jamaica has been selectively leaked to a particular media house in an attempt to discredit what Mr. Bolt said, which is that his money actually was invested in SSL.
And ripped off by SSL.
So I'm calling for two things. One, for the government to release that forensic report in its totality. Not to continue this exercise of picking and choosing sections of the report and sending it to specific media houses, but to put the entire report on the table so that all Jamaicans can see what took place. And the second thing is that the government must give us an update. What is the status of the investigations? We know that a file was provided to the DPP. We don't know what the status of that is. That file has been there for months. And we need to remember, Mr. Bolt is one of hundreds of persons who were defrauded in SSL. So he has a right to raise these questions. These are the same questions that not so well-known persons who were defrauded are also raising. And the response cannot be to chastise him for doing so. He has been extremely responsible and restrained in not going public internationally with these issues, because it would have a detrimental impact on the country and the perception of the investment climate in the country.